Bonjour à tous, welcome back to Learn French with Anna. Today we are going to learn ER ending verbs. This is very important because no sentence in French or in any language is complete without a verb. So stay tuned. So, oh, come on. First step is that how to identify an ER ending verb. There are various groups of verbs in French. We are going to start with ER ending verbs because they are the simplest. How to identify ER ending verbs as that they end with ER. So let's take the first verb, parler. If you see the ending, it is ER. So it's an ER ending verb. And it will not change in French. If parler is an ER ending verb, it will remain an ER ending verb. Parler, chanter, danser. In all three verbs, you can see that this is an ER ending verb. Next is l'emploi. That is, we know what is an ER ending verb, but now we are going to learn how to speak I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks. Now we know that parler as a whole is ER ending verb, but then we have to match it with the subject now. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the formation. We remove the ER from the verb. So for example, if the verb is parler, we remove the ER. And what is left is called the radical. That is called parle. This remains same in all the ER ending verbs. So let's speak now the radical which we have formed by removing the ER ending verb. We are going to add that radical to each subject pronoun. If you can notice over here, so je parle, tu parles. We have just removed ER and added that radical with each subject pronoun. So if you can notice that parle, P-A-R-L, is with every subject pronoun. It's common. So this is how you learn to place this radical with subject pronouns and to form ER ending verbs. Next is that you have to learn the endings. With je, the ending is E. I'm going to tell you how is it used. With tu, the ending is ES. With il, the ending is with E. L, the ending is E. Nu with ONS, vous with EZ, ils ENT, else ENT. You have to learn these endings. If you remember these endings, then your ER ending verbs won't go wrong. And these endings remain the same with all the ER ending verbs. So there are two things which you need to focus. One, you remove ER and then you add ending. And endings do not change. So if ending with je is E, it will always be E. So remember two steps. Remove ER, add ending. Remove ER, add ending. Alright. So see now. With je, with that radical, that is P-A-R-L, we have just added E. So it is je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, written as parlent for the knave, but it is pronounced as parle, elle parle. Okay, so if you remember in this whole slide, in this whole presentation, so the endings which we learned in the previous slide, for example, E with je, ES with tu, E with E, it is added over here with the radical. So what you have to do, remove ER, place radical and then place the endings. So you remember the endings. E with je, ES with tu, E with il, E with L, ONS with nu, EZ with vous, ENT with ils and ENT with else. Let's take some examples. Now chanter is an ER ending verb. If you will notice over here, the rule over here is also same. We remove ER, the radical is chante. So chante you can see with every subject pronoun. And the endings are the same. Je chante, tu chantes, il chante, elle chante, nous chantons, vous chantez, il chante, elle chante. The next verb is aimer. Aimer is to love and like. Why have I specifically mentioned aimer over here? Because when a verb starts with a vowel, then with je it is going to be je apostrophe. Two vowels don't come, so it will be j'aime. Again the rule is the same. From aimer, remove er, you can see the radical everywhere. J'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Here are some common ER ending verbs. Otherwise, there is no list of ER ending verbs in French. They are unlimited and infinite. But some verbs just to start. Regarder, aimer, préférer, détester, adore, compte. All these are ER ending verbs for you to practice, and you can conjugate and form them as sentences. Let's learn some examples. Je regarde la télévision. So if you remember with je, if the verb is regarder, we remove ER, we have added E. Tu chantes la chanson. Il aime la mangue, that is he loves mango. Elle aime la pizza, she loves the pizza. Nous regardons un film indien, we are watching an Indian film. So you just focus on the conjugation, or you just focus on how the verb is placed with the subject over here. Vous chantez les chansons, that is you are singing the songs. Ils dansent sur le concert, that is they are singing or they are dancing on the concert. Elle danse sur le concert. So over here you just focus on subject and the verb, because right now we are only learning of how to place ER ending verbs with the subject. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Stay tuned. I'm going to come up with more videos for IR ending verbs and then RE ending verbs and then more grammar topics. Now every week I'll be uploading a new video. So you all have to just stay tuned with me. Thank you so much. Au revoir, merci beaucoup and bonne journée.